أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we will learn Tasbih Taraweeh, like Dua of Taraweeh. So before starting this dua, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, so please subscribe it and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. Let us start now. I will read first. You have to repeat after me. Very carefully listen. If you have any kind of question, you can ask in the comment section. So we start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Subhana Dhil Mulki wal Malakut Subhana Dhil Izzati wal 'azmati wal haybati wal qudrati wal kibriyai wal jabarut Subhanal Malikil Hayyil ladhi la yanamu wala yamut Subbuhun Quddusur Rabbuna wa Rabbul malaikati war-ruh Allahumma ajirna minan nari ya mujiru And now I teach you this dua according to the rules of Tajweed. So listen carefully which rules we apply during this dua. So in the first Subhana, there is on the ba blue color. So we make qalqala here. The weak qalqala will be Subhana. How we long due to alif madda. Dhil mulki. Zal we read in softly. Wal malakut. There is waw madda. So that's why we are longing this kaf. Kut. If you stop on the ta, so we make hums quality in the ta, like the continuation of our breath, and there will be weakness in this letter. Then wal malakut Subhana. Again we make qalqala on the ba. How we long due to alif madda. Dhil izzati. The first zal you will read softly, and the second za we read hard. Dhil izzati wal azmati. Za read in heavy sound and soft as well. Wal haybati, there is ya lean, we make soft sound. Wal qudrati, qaf read in heavy sound. Dal again make qalqala. Ra read heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. Wal kibriyai, on the ba we make qalqala, the weak qalqala. Ra we read in light sound. Ya we long due to alif madda is there, and there is a mad sign as well. So this mad is called madde muttasil. After the madda letter, the next letter is hamza in the same word. So wal kibriyai is the one word. That's why this is madde muttasil. So this mad we long 3 to 5 seconds. Wal jabarut, ra we read in heavy sound and then we long also due to waw madda, and in the ta we make hams quality. Wal jabarut. Subhanal, on the ba we make qalqala. Ha we long due to alif madda. Malikil, kaf read in light sound. Hayyil ladhi, zal we read softly, there is ya madda, we long also. La, alif madda is there. Ya na, noon we long due to alif madda. Wala, again alif madda here. Yamut, so waw madda is coming. So waw is coming with sukun sign, and there is dhamma on the before letter, we long here, and then we stop. So yamut. Subuhun, on the bu waw is madda again, we long the sound of ba here. Subuhun. So after the tanween, the next letter is qaf, which is one of the ikhfa letter. So we make ikhfa sound, like we hide the sound of noon into our nose. So we say subuhun quddu. Qaf we read in heavy sound. Dal we long again. Waw madda is there. Sin we connect with the ra. After the tanween, the next letter is ra. So we make idgham without ghunna. Quddusur Rabbuna. Ra we read in heavy sound. There is fatha on the ra. Noon we long due to alif madda. Wa Rabbul. Ra again we long due to fatha sign on it. Malaikati. Lam we long. There is a big mad sign. After the madda letter, the next is hamza. That's why the hamza is coming in the same word. The next is hamza, and hamza is coming in the same word. So this is madde muttasil. We long it 3 to 5 seconds. War ruh, ra read in heavy sound, and there is waw madda, we long also. Allahumma, Allah name we read in heavy sound, and because there is fatha on the before letter, which is on the alif. Humma, humma, there is shad sign on the meme. So we make gunna. Ajirna, ra we read in light sound, because there is sukun sign on the ra and the kasra is before the ra. That's why this ra will be light. So we say ajir na. Noon we long due to alif madda. Minan nari, noon again with coming shadda sign, so we make gunna. Na we long due to alif madda. Ra we read in light sound. Ya again alif madda. Mujiru, ya madda is there, and ra we read in heavy sound. Similarly, ya mujiru, ya mujir, and if we stop on the ra, so it will be light ra. So we say ya mujir. And now I repeat this dua again, so listen carefully and then try yourself. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Subhana dhil mulki wal malakut. سبحان ذي العزة والعظمة والهيبة والقدرة والكبرياء والجبروت. سبحان ذي العزة والعظمة والهيبة والقدرة والكبرياء والجبروت. سبحان الملك الحي الذي لا ينام ولا يموت. سبوح قدوس ربنا ورب الملائكة والروح. اللهم أجرنا من النار النار يا مجير يا مجير يا مجير. So I hope you understand this dua. If you have any kind of question regarding this dua, please leave a message under this video. Inshallah, in the next class, we'll start a new lesson. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.